Hello everyone, my name is Jesse Beach. I'm the chairman of the JPWG, or the PBS Working Group. On this edition of the Video Bidline Bulletin, we're going to be showing you how to copy and paste and move bid groups between different months and different bid pages here. So we're going to start here with a blank current tab. Let's say we want to move a bid group over to the current tab from the default tab. There's a couple things you can do. You can select individual lines just by clicking on the line over here with the letters and possibly numbers over here. If we want to select multiple lines at the same time, we just select the actual numbers over here. And if we want to select an entire bid group, we just click the very top line. If we want to copy, we just hit copy. We can move over to the current and hit paste, and it's as simple as that. So with that being said, something to be careful of is sometimes when you're trying to do this, you'll bring other commands like clear schedule start next or else start next from another bid group that you may not want. And if we go over here and try to submit, what it's going to do is it's going to give you this warning message. This isn't technically an error message, but it's saying there's a clear schedule start next or an else start next in that bid group, where there's no extra pairings bid group below it except for the blank one. So what you're wanting to avoid here is having this else start next at the top or clear schedule start next triggering into an open pairings bid group. So we'll just cancel that. We can go and delete the clear schedule start next. And then we could also edit out this, or actually we just deleted it in that case, but we could also just edit out that else start next. So let's say you wanted to move bid groups to or from a different month. If we want to do that, we can sync previous months by either selecting here from the drop down, or if it's a month that we don't have, we can use the sync data button here. So, as I was saying, if there's a previous month that we want to use, we can just check one of the previous months that we want to use and hit the sync button. While that's working, a reason we may have to do that is if we lost our default bid. There's only a few times where you may lose your default bid. One of those is if you change bases, and the other one is upgrade. So if you did happen to change bases or upgrade, which upgrade is basically like changing bases, you would need to do this, and you can sync back from a previous month. So as you can see, nothing much changed here because we're still selected in the May month up here. But let's say we want to go back to April or March. We can just select the March month, and again, didn't have anything in the current month here, but if we go back to the default tab, we can go on here, select that whole top line, hit copy. Now what we want to remember is we're still in the March month here, so we're actually going to want to reselect that, go back to May, and go over here to the current tab of May and hit paste. And it's as simple as that. I'd like to thank you for watching this video edition of the Bidline Bulletin. If you have any questions, always feel free to send us a dart.